Welcome to Technical Rajiv. It's me Rajiv and welcome here to my channel. Guys, today we are going to try to download the Instagram from the Google Play Store. Let's see whether it can be downloaded from the Play Store or should we use the other browser. Come on, let's start the video. Just open the Play Store and then you can search over here. Write down Insta, INSTA. Instagram. Okay, so Instagram, my logo is appear over there. Tap the downloading button and install it. See, it can't download the Instagram. Try again and fix it. So we cannot download an Instagram from the Play Store sometimes. Let's try it once. Instagram, this is the one Instagram we are going to download it. Just make it download. See, it can't be installed, right? Cannot download Instagram. Try again. If it still doesn't work, see, we need to download, we need to try. So it's not possible to down from here. So let's start the video how we can download and install the Instagram from the browser. Let's start the video. Just go to your browser, Google Chrome, and then search GB Insta, INSTA. Okay, so search it. So this is the GB Insta. It's appear over here. So get this one, download, go last and just get this one, 39.7 MB, download GB Insta. This is the one, just tap it. Just make okay. Now the GB Insta is downloading in our device. After complete the downloading, just go to the Instagram, the one which you have been downloaded, and what you have to do is do you want to install this application? It doesn't. Now the GB Instagram is installing in our device. It will take a little bit time install on it. This is the problem happens sometimes in our device, that the Instagram didn't work, like so much more application also it can't be work, but we need to find out the solution how we can be download and we can use it from the browser or somewhere else. When I try to download it from the Play Store, but it can't be downloaded, guys. So this is the solution that can download and install the Instagram from the browser. So now what we are going to do is that just tap to open it, or you can make it done also if you want to use later. But now at this time I just gonna show you how we can sign in, or how we can access. This is the you have to make the access to run the Instagram in your device, so you have to give the permission from here. Now what you are going to do, I'm going to log in from my Facebook account. Okay, so I will type my mobile password. So it's ground access connecting to Facebook. So after when you see that, just make it scroll and make it okay. So this is my Instagram. Okay, this is my Instagram. So guys, hope you watch the video and know how to download the Instagram. If you have any problem, comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, keep subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for upcoming updates.